Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will be teaching you on how to install Xaxino Ultimate Casino platform on your server. So kindly watch this video carefully so that you understand how I did this. And if you're a new member here, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel so that anytime I post a video like this, it will be useful for you. Thank you. Alright, so as you can see, today I'll be teaching you guys on how to install this script. So here is the price on Code Canyon. So if you need this script, you kindly message me on my WhatsApp number below. I'll be selling this script for you for a cheaper price. So thank you for your time. Alright, so let's start up this process. Now you go to your cPanel. So as you can see, I'm on my cPanel. Then you go to File Manager. And you go to where this is where I'll be uploading the file on my publish HTML. So as you can see, the file has already been there. So what you need to do now is to upload the file here. After uploading the file, you extract it. You extract the file. Then you click on close. You open this folder. You select all these and move it to your publish HTML. Now check there. As you can see now, this is the file. So what you need to do now is to go back on your domain, check your domain live. Alright, it's a 500 server error. So just click on your domain here and click on install. Now as you can see, all we need to do now is to click on I have agreed. Next step. Now let's set up this requirement. Let's go back to your file manager. Go to code. Watch this very carefully so that you understand how I did this. So we just need to set up the permission requirement. Let's set up the permission requirement. So now let's go back to our website to see how it looks like now. Alright, as you can see, this is requirement check passed, so it has been done. So you just click on next. Now what we need to do now is to set up our database. So how we do this, you go back, click on database wizard. So there you can just put anything here. Let's put anything there. You'll be using the same thing as your database name and username if you like. So for me, I'll be using the same thing. So put in your password. You can use the password that was generated for you here. Look at, there's the password generated, and make sure if you are using this password, make sure you copy it in a safe place. So I already have a password, so I'll put it here. Create user, set up privileges, make changes. Now what you need to do now is to go back, put in the password you put there, copy your database username, and go back click it, put it here. Do not forget I use the same thing, so I'm going to be doing that here. Then here you click on local host here. Then for here you put in your username for admin. Let me just put this, and password, let me use the same password. And for here you can put in your password, your email. Let me just use this, and you click on install now. Alright, you see your system has been installed successfully. Alright, so now what we need to do now is to go back to our website. They say please delete the installation folder from the server. So let's go to, alright, so as you can see the website is installed successfully. So let's go back to here our server and delete this file because it has no use again. Then let's go back to our website. Now let's log into our admin dashboard. Now put in your username here. Your password. In. Alright, so as you can see it has been done successfully. So you need to set up your clone job for those of you. So you set up your clone job. After setting up your clone job, see there are so many. These are the features. These are the features here. So as you can see, here is the KYC verification. So for this management template, this is the only template that is available. So you can also set up your management page, about you, your gaming, contact, blog. So this maintenance mode, if your site is having an issue and you maybe want to set up some things there, you put disable, you put enable, and it will show them that this site is on work, that they are working on it. Then if you want it to be active, then you can click on disable. So they have so many features. This is the logo. You can put in the logo here. Then see this general settings. There is the name of the site, the currency you're using, etc. Then here now is a registration, user registration. If you want the user to register, you click on enable. If you don't want the user to register, you click on disable. So these are so many features that it also have. This is the KYC verification. If you want a user to verify, to verify before withdrawing, so this is where you enable it. So these are all of it. This is the SEO configuration, your description, social title, social description, photo, So this is where you all do this. So now you just go back to dashboard and set up your clone job. After setting up your clone job, you can be ready to go. So thank you all for watching this video. May God bless you. And for those that need this script, kindly message me on my WhatsApp number. I'll be selling this script for a cheaper price. Do not forget. Thank you all. God bless you.